Alright, so tonight's WWE SmackDown honestly feels like one of the most important episodes they've done in a while because everything is revolving around Cody Rhodes right now. WWE clearly knows Cody is the face of the company heading into Clash in Italy, and tonight could completely change the direction of SmackDown going into the summer. The biggest thing everyone is talking about is Gunther officially deciding whether he's joining SmackDown permanently. And let's be real here, there's basically no chance WWE hypes this up this much unless Gunther chooses SmackDown and officially locks himself into a WWE Championship feud with Cody Rhodes. Last week already showed us exactly where the story is headed. Cody was ready to handle business, like always, and then Gunther blindsides him before the contract could even fully happen. That instantly made this feud feel bigger. Cody isn't just fighting another challenger now. He's fighting one of the most dominant champions WWE has had in years. And honestly, this might be Cody's hardest feud since Roman Reigns. Gunther's booked like an actual final boss. The guy doesn't panic. He doesn't joke around. He doesn't need flashy promos. He just destroys people. Makes it look easy. WWE protected this man for years and years. But at the same time, Cody Rhodes right now feels untouchable as the WWE champion. The crowd reactions are insane every single day. Merchandise numbers are crazy. WWE is completely built up the entire company. So tonight is all about the most interesting part of all of it is somehow that alone immediately makes me think there's something bigger here. Because whenever Heyman starts politicking behind the scenes, the storyline of WWE is a bigger twist. Heyman's been fooled by this. Could Roman Reigns somehow get dragged back into this? Could Gunther become Heyman's new obsession? Nothing would surprise me, honestly. But if Gunther officially signs with SmackDown tonight, this instantly becomes the biggest storyline on the brand by far. And honestly, WWE needs this. Because outside of Cody Rhodes, SmackDown has felt kind of weird lately. Some stories are hot, some are cold, and some feuds just don't feel important. Cody versus Gunther, that feels like a WrestleMania level rivalry happening now. Visually, Cody will be a WWE champion, while Gunther just stares at him is already enough to sell the match. I fully expect a face-to-face confrontation. Maybe Cody interrupts Gunther's decision. Maybe Gunther officially signs the contract. Maybe they brawl. Maybe security has to separate them. Maybe Cody finally gets revenge for last week's attack. WWE is absolutely going to leave tonight with a giant cliffhanger heading into Clash in Italy. And honestly, Clash in Italy suddenly feels way more important because of this feudal run. The crowd over there is going to be insane for Cody Rhodes. International WWE crowds have been absolutely carrying lately, putting Cody versus Gunther on stadium. The crazy thing too is this match honestly feels unpredictable because Gunther is one of the only guys in WWE right now where fans can actually believe Cody Rhodes. Watch how they Gunther feels dangerous. That's what makes this feud work so well. WWE really wants to shock people. Imagine Gunther actually winning the WWE Championship. The internet would completely explode. Personally, I still think Cody retains. WWE has invested way too much in him in these series. But I do think Gunther pushes him harder than almost anyone has so far. Another thing tonight's SmackDown needs to do is continue making Cody feel like the guy. Because no matter who returns, no matter who's advertised, no matter what legends show up, the crowd still revolves around Cody Rhodes. That entrance is gigantic. Compared to Cody and Gunther. That's how big this WWE Championship story is. also getting Jade Cargill addressing her surprise return, which should be interesting because the women's division on SmackDown suddenly got a lot more chaotic. Rhea Ripley has enemies everywhere right now. Charlotte Flair is still lurking around the title scene. Alexa Bliss is involved, and Jade immediately made herself the center of attention again.